Hi, I'm Rainer, and welcome to my train room. Got another box in the mail, showed up today. Let's open it and see what I got. It's a whole pile of train cars. So these came from another model railroader who has been modeling the Algoma Central Railway and has had an amazing layout. I've seen it on his YouTube channel. I've seen posts of photos from it on Facebook groups. He calls himself Nick A on YouTube, and unfortunately he is having to take down his entire layout and is now selling off all of his Algoma Central Railway rolling stock. So if there's anybody out there that's looking for it, it's all in great shape. So I bought 8 ore cars from him, and so they arrived today, and this is the first of them. I have some of these cars already. I have 5 of them, so now I have 8 more. I think I have 5 of them. Yeah, I have 5 of them, so now I have 8 more. And so I just messaged him when I saw he was selling things, and I told him what numbers I had and told him to send me anything but those road numbers. So that's what he did. Now I'm going to get them onto the layout, and we'll see how they run, and I'll get some shots of these things running on the layout. So yeah, if you're looking for some good Algoma Central Railway rolling stock, Nick has a bunch of locomotives, SD40s, GP7s, things like that, really nicely detailed and weathered for sale. He's got all types of freight cars. He's got more of these. I don't know how many he's sold already, but I think he started with around 60 of them. I bought 8. I don't know how many other people have bought. He's got various other types of freight cars available as well. So if you're looking for Algoma Central rolling stock ready to go, look Nick up online. I will put a link to his YouTube channel up here. Take a look at it. It's an amazing layout. Some really good scenes that he had duplicated on there, and it's kind of sad that he's having to take it down, but that's the way life goes. I guess he's going to eventually try to build something else, but has decided to sell his Algoma Central stock off. So take a look at his video, and you'll see where these cars came from. Now I'm going to get them onto the layout and run them around. So thanks for watching. See you next time.